In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels in Microsoft Word. Whether you're organizing your office supplies, preparing for a mailing, or planning an event, creating your own labels can be a real game changer. The process in Microsoft Word is straightforward once you know where to find everything, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can do it with ease. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft Word application on your computer. Once you've got the app open, you'll notice a ribbon at the top of the window displaying a variety of options such as Home, Insert, Design, and more. For creating labels, your focus will be on the Mailings tab, which is specialized for various tasks involving mail such as envelopes, labels, and mail mergers. Go ahead and click on the Mailings tab. When you do, you'll see a series of options specifically related to mailing tasks. Now, on the far left side of this tab, you'll find an option called Labels, but unlike other buttons that might seem overwhelming, this one is quite a straightforward solution for all your labeling needs. Clicking on Labels will open a new dialog box that is the Labels tool in Word. This is where you'll design and customize your labels to match your specific requirements. Within this dialog box, you have the opportunity to type in what you would like each label to say. Common uses might include addresses or a simple product description. The choice is yours. However, before you start typing, take a moment to consider the label's layout. There are many styles and sizes of labels, so it's usually a good idea to double check the specifications of the labels you're using. You can do this by clicking on the Options button within the Labels dialog box. This area will present you with many predefined label templates, which correspond to various label manufacturers. If you know the specifics of your label sheet, you'll often find it listed here, allowing you to select the exact template to match what you're using. Once you have everything set, you can enter your content and look over to the right side of the Labels dialog box, where you will find the option for printing directly from Word. If everything looks good, you can choose to print immediately. After a quick proofread, simply load your label sheets into your printer and hit the Print button within the Labels dialog. Remember, labels are a great way to stay organized, and having the ability to customize and print your own can save both time and money. With this new skill, you'll have your labels ready in no time, whether for personal use or making your business operation smoother. Thank you for watching, and happy labeling.